Hi everyone, welcome to this new experiment. Because of the coronavirus and self-isolation, I got bored, and I know some of you are very bored as well. So I thought it'd be nice to make my microscopes available to take a look at whatever you and I feel like watching. So let's get started. This is a magnified sponge. This is the sponge I used to clean my aquarium with, so that's where the black ink comes from. What's interesting is that the sponge consists of a lot of air and very little plastic, or whatever this sponge material is. Of course, I knew there was a lot of empty space, but I didn't think it was this much. Pretty cool. Let's magnify it by 3 more times. With a higher magnification always comes a shallower depth of field, so you can see a lot at the same time. Oh, there goes the camera. Here's a big cavity. One of the things I love about playing with microscopes is that a lot of objects look very different than you would have imagined if magnified a bunch of times. Let's get back to the lower magnification and look at the backside. This is the scouring pad part of the sponge. Because this is my aquarium sponge, sometimes you'll see a piece of dried up dead old algae, like this. Let's go to a higher magnification. It looks like those green bits are the abrasive, if you want, the thing that does the scrubbing. So those plastic hairs are the basis of the sponge and the green granules provide the abrasive effect. Here's a few more algae. Well, that's fun. Next item on the list, a head of garlic. I thought I'd just grab something which could be somewhat interesting. This is the top, not much going on. Pretty boring actually. This is the bottom with little roots. Focus. Yeah, this is what a piece of garlic looks like magnified by a bunch of times. Let's take a look if a higher magnification makes it more interesting. Add some light. Aha! More light is always welcome. Yeah, I don't really know what to tell you about this. I actually think that everything looks pretty nice. You don't exactly know what you should find super cool about it, but they are beautiful images. Well, that's the garlic. Next item. This is a match head. This is the entire thing. These are my fingers. Let's take a closer look. So this is the part that ignites. As you can see, there are some pores, some air holes. Yeah, what else is there to say? It's a match up close. Cool. And I don't really know what this black stuff is, just a bit dirty. Let's grab an ignited match as well. You can see that it really just kinda splashed apart. Pretty cool. And I'm already repeating myself, but I'm going to say it with every clip. Pretty cool. Because yeah, I think it is pretty cool. I'm just really obsessed with my microscopes. It's so much fun to take a closer look at all those things. Some things are very boring up close. Some things are also quite interesting. I find this quite special, for example. Okay, enough. What we have here is a pencil that some of you may recognize. Whoa, those are my fingers again. I'm going to move towards the logo, and whoever guesses it first is super cool. So this is the graphite end of the pencil. This is what you write with. This is a piece of paper which I'm going to write on. Whoa, that's tricky. Well, you get the idea. I'm going to do it at a lower magnification. Okay, I'm going to draw something now. And this is a very cute sheep. I'm not very good at drawing under a microscope, but it's the idea that counts. This is the last thing I prepared for this video. This is a normal chip, paprika flavor. It looks very gross and greasy with so much light. And this is a nacho. It looks very gross and greasy under this light. Yeah, it is what it is. I was hoping to see some cool nacho grains or something. But yeah, you are really confronted with the reality of what you actually shove in your mouth, which is also not unimportant. That's all I prepared for this video. Not a whole lot, I know. If you want to see something through a microscope, then this is your chance. Leave a comment, let me know if you want to see something, and I'll see what I can do. It can be anything, as long as I can get it in these weird times, and it actually fits under the microscope. In the next episode I also use the other microscope. Maybe we will look at some cells. Well, that was it. I hope this entertained you, even if only for a few minutes. Share this video with everyone you think might be bored now, and most importantly, stay healthy. And until the next video.